Hey guys, this is John with Team-One Automotive. I am here with Mr. Steve Currington and his Rolls Royce. Tell me about your dad's Rolls Royce, Steve.
This is my dad's Rolls Royce key. This is a 2017 Rolls Royce Wraith. So, one cool thing when you lock it, the Spirit of Ecstasy sneaks down in the little hole, and then when you unlock it, it pops back out. So that's pretty cool. But this is called the Black Badge package. So the Black Badge, you get everything blacked out and like carbon wheels.
Okay.
But the carbon wheels weren't that cool, so we put these Forgiatos on here.
Nice.
I don't know if you want to come check these out.
Take a look.
They're like, and I got them to kind of color match the inside.
Nice.
But when my dad bought this, he bought it because of the inside, which has the blue.
Ooh.
See that? And then check out the Starlight headliner. Can you see it in there?
Oh.
So they quit making the Wraith, and now they call it the Spectre, which is the electric version, which sucks. But it's V12.
Nice.
600 something horsepower. It's a cruiser though.
Nice.
But very responsive when you hit the gas pedal.
There you go.
Team-One Automotive.
Team-One Automotive.
Do you guys work on Rolls Royces?
We do. You guys.
Oh my gosh! I gotta. If I need an oil change, I can bring it.
Yep. Steve, tell us a little bit about what you do.
I do home loans nationwide. I'm in the top 100 for the largest retail mortgage company in the country. So I do a lot of home loans all over the world. So if you need a mortgage, call me. SteveCurrington.com. All right. Well, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Steve.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to talk to you. Nice to meet you.
See ya.